So let me do it. As you can see, guys, in my screen, okay, we have network devices. Next, what we have in network devices. If you go to below, you have a number 1 router, number 2, number 3, number 4. Click on wireless devices, and if you click on wireless devices, you see the list of the devices has been came. So my suggestion is to just scroll towards the router. And are you seeing one router is there? I'm recording this one, don't worry. Okay, I'll share it. So WRT 300N. Okay, I'm gonna select this one. This is a wireless network device. Wireless, जैसे कि Wi-Fi router, similar thing. Now, question is, you are working on jetking, so you cannot have access of this directly. But it is a virtual infrastructure, a simulation, so I can clicking on and I can go inside it, right? But in real time, how will you go? So I will today attach some extra attachment also. I'm going to take a PC here, and this PC will be admin PC. The works, everything we will do for that person from here on. In real time, this is the scenario only. Okay, na? So number 1, I'd like to connect one straight through cable, because these are separate device, right? Not same device. So straight through, automatically they will connect. Okay. So, or else I can do one more thing directly. You see, if you don't remember, you can easily use this. Okay, na? Even though if you don't want crossover, you can directly choose, and then any one Ethernet, this, anything you can choose. It's not a problem. Okay. Just like, for example, let it be this one. Now I'd like to add here. This is a admin PC. This is a admin PC. Admin PC means the person who's going to control गिफ्ट आपको. ओके, नाक में घुस जाएगा. नीचे 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 फ्लोर बस. ओके, थैंक यू. नाउ एंड ये क्या है? ये वायरलेस राउटर. क्लियर? Okay. अच्छा, ये नाम directly I can show you from there itself. See, wireless router 0 आ रहा है. Okay. Now what we will do, first things I am going to, जैसे this is our company, this is jetking. Okay. Right now, this is which? It's a jetking. Try to understand. Here is the this storeroom. In storeroom, I have a one Wi-Fi router, and this is our room actually. This is our room right now. So I'm not going for it. So consider this is our jetking office, and we want we have a lot of, जैसे for us we have a computers, we have a laptops, we have some servers, या फिर let's say some other laptops and some computers which we need to connect through Wi-Fi and work on. Clear? But we don't have a physical connections. I'm not going to connect also. Now, number 1 step, what we have to do is 1 minute it is recording. Yes, it is recording. So I am going to configure that admin PC. If you want, you can write down also what to do, what to next. If you want, just configure admin PC. Okay. This is the scenario. I'm going to do what? Okay. Number one, I'll go to desktop and I'll go to address, and I would like to, and just see here, rather than writing, check it out. I'm going to use DSC, and you see the result. What happened? By default, wireless device is activated. Okay. So it is given automatically IP. अच्छा इसमें gateway क्या है? So if I want to connect this router anytime, I have to use this IP, correct? 0.1. Okay. Leave it, no problem. Okay. After this, I will make sure also by using command prompt and ping it. What is the IP address? 192.168.0. Pinging, correct? Now, actually, so what I have to do is, this is what I opened, admin PC, isn't it? Okay, so इसका नाम भी रख देते हैं इधर, admin PC. ये दो बार नाम हो गया. Admin PC I am opening. Now I wanted to configure the wireless router. So first things I have to connect this wireless router, right? So I'm connecting by using telnet, SSID, anything, by using web browser. So I'll go for web browser. Okay. Once I click on web browser, you remember the IP address? What was the IP address? Just URL 192.168.1. Acha. The moment when you enter and just click on go, it is asking authorization. So remember one thing. This computer, this router by default have a username is admin, password also admin, small letter. Okay. Every Cisco having same admin, password also admin. So click on OK. And welcome to you in wireless device utility. Now, what happened actually, let me share you. I am accessing this router through this PC. Okay. And why? The reason is I wanted to configure that router. And you check it out what I have here. Correct? Are you seeing the IP address of that router? If you want, you can change also. So I would like to change it. The reason is I want to show you that, yeah, it is working. Just my IP address will be 0 dot something, right? I'm going to use 222. Fine. Simply 222.1. And IP address is subnet mask, let it be. Okay. Subnet mask, we can give anything. This is a default one. Okay. And then if you use this one, you will have a 128 address. If you use this one, you will have a 64 address. If you use this one, you will have a 32 address. If you use this one, you will have a 16. If you use this one, you will have a only 8 address, because 5 you will be removed. So to the power of 3 will remain. If you use this one, you will have only 4 address. So that is not going to be legal. So let it be, no problem. We can use any one. Okay. Now, start IP address in DHCP. DHCP is enabled. Are you seeing? Start IP address. It is started with 100. So I'm gonna start with 5 simply. Okay. Just for example, to remember, maximum users let it be 50. No problem. Okay. So IP range will be 1 to 155, something like this. But I don't want to do nothing. Just further. See these changes I have done here. Want to verify. Okay. And then I'll scroll down, and what is that? Save setting. So setting has been saved. Now what I will do, once setting saved, I will directly close everything. Okay. I will go here, and again I'm going to the PC. Okay. And I'll go to IP address, and I wanted to show you that. See, this is the IP address before you scan it. Clear? Started with 100.01. Now I'm going to use DHCP again, and you see this. What happened? According to my requirement, it is changed. This IP address came from where? What I assigned for, right? This is the network. Clear? All right. चलिए इसको close करते हैं. I'm gonna access again this one through remotely. Everything you can do in the same router only, but remotely doing means there will be some experience. Now, which IP address you will assign to access? Bolo. 222. Super. So, admin. .1 दिल डाला ना सर, ऑलरेडी हो गया. कहाँ डॉट? आप हम पासवर्ड डाल रहे हैं. एडमिन इधर देख रहे हो? .1 ही डाला है ना? हाँ जी सर. क्या हुआ? कुछ नहीं. खाना खाया था, ब्रेकफास्ट किया था आपने? चलो. Now, see, it is accessed. Achha, this time we are not going to do changes here because we checked that is working. Correct? It's time for doing what you know. Are you seeing here one option? What is that? Can you read for me? Wireless. So just click on wireless and see this access. अरे बाप रे, इसको बड़ा कर दे क्या? One second. Wireless came in this network mode, mixed, then name SSID. So I'm going to change this SSID to, as per my requirement, jetking Wi-Fi. What do you feel? Okay, jetking hyphen Wi-Fi. Okay. दोनों पे भी hyphen डाल देते हैं. So you remember that. Just scroll down and save settings. So saving settings has been completed. In your case, it might be show the successful. Okay. Now I will do. You can cancel also, or just minimize it and check it out. Now this is your end location. I'm going to connect this PC wireless connection. Click on this PC, and are you seeing here in this PC, as you can see, there is a only LAN cable existing, correct? So I would like to remove this LAN cable. So before removing, how to remove? I have to turn off this PC. So you see the so I don't know which color it is, yellow or something, yellow or yeah, maybe. So I am going to turn off this. It's become turned off. Yeah, and now we will remove this and throw it out here. Okay, it is empty, and now we will use. Are you seeing here? The first one. Okay, use this first one, W MP300 network, and just connect it. This is wireless adapter, okay? Not NIC adapter, LAN adapter. So turned on back. Clear? Do the same with every computer. So I'll do the same with every computer. So it is turned on. Acha, in this, how will you do? Where is the switch? Are you seeing one switch is there? See, here is the switch. Just switch off this computer and not this one. This is a small location. This is the location and drive it. Clear? And then turn on it. Clear. Next one. Similarly, you execute the same things with this. Now we have connected wireless adapter to our every computer, correct? It's time to connect our computer. So let me click on the first computers. See, I'm clicking on the first computer and check it out. What I will do. इसको थोड़ा बड़ा कर देते हैं. We'll go for desktop. Somewhere you seeing PC wireless. Are you seeing this option?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So click on that option. Now connecting wireless network on system. This is the procedure of connecting wireless network on system. So once you click on here, what is this option? Connect. And just wait for 1 or 2 seconds and you see something. What is this? Where you created this Wi-Fi?
Jetking.
Yes, no, ball. You have done now in admin PC, right?
Yes, sir.
So just click on, select this one and then
Connect.
and you see in left side between router and the computer.
Yes, sir.
Wireless connection established. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So do repeat same things with every pieces. Okay. You perform all the steps. Huh? No password. Yes. Security is coming. So we have 3 layers right here. Okay. First thing is we are understanding now, right? Second, we will put the password. Third, we will filter. We will do the ACL technology. We will deploy ACL technology. Okay. So you are connected wireless network. So repeat the same things with other computer wireless. Then wait for it to highlight here. Otherwise, you can refresh it also if it is not coming. And here it is. It is coming. Connect. Connected. 2.5 gigahertz speed wala one network.